It's a 2018 GLC43 with a ghost immobiliser. So a thief copied this key, done a relay attack, or they popped this button out, put the key in, went to start the vehicle. It's going to start up, but as soon as they go to drive away, select a gear, vehicle's going to cut out. There we go, they're unable to drive it away. So what the customer has to do to drive it, start the vehicle up, go through a code. For now we've done left, right, get a double flash. We can select our gear and drive off. Vehicle doesn't stall out. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the ghost immobiliser, protects you against key cloning, relay attack, key theft. So if someone got this key in any way, went to steal the vehicle, they'll start it up. When they put it in gear, you'll see it cut out. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Give us a call to secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Give us a call to secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.